Hello, everyone. Brother Atkinson here. I hope you're all doing well as we get started on our third week of class and you're settled in. As I told you earlier, this is a busy one. So we've had a little something come up. Um, I've been teaching the class for 4 years and I'm not sure how many times I've taught it, but it's never happened before. So I'm going to address that here. And it's about the mysterious PDFs on the peer reviews. Before I do, though, a couple of things. One is please be sure to read the weekly announcements because I already addressed part of this in the weekly announcement, but that is um, be sure to communicate with me through the inbox of Canvas or iLearn, as BYU Idaho calls it. If you send emails to me through my regular email address at BYU Idaho, it will delay any kind of response. I've also shared my cell phone if somebody wants to text or whatever, it'd be great or just fine. But Canvas inbox is really where you should be sending any questions to me. Make sure I get them. And when you do, if you would please copy and paste a link to the page you're on. If you're having trouble with an assignment, just go up to the top and click on the URL up there, the address, and copy that and paste it into the message to me so I know right where to go and help you. Okay, so there's that. Some of you have reported that as you're downloading the peer review or the papers for you to peer review from colleagues, classmates, they come down as PDFs, which is really strange because you can't upload them as PDFs. The course designers, which by the way, the faculty teachers like me don't design the courses. We can edit them and make small changes, which I usually do, but very small. What I don't do though is change the file restrictions. And so these assignments only allow you to upload Microsoft Word docs. And so how PDFs are getting in there, I'm not sure. I'm also equally as stumped by the fact that you could download something that went up in as a PDF or went up in as a Word document and then come out as a PDF. That's just so unlikely. So I don't know what's happening, but I have notified the university and asked for some help. So you can do the same thing. You can reach out to tech support for students, the one-stop place I think might be the place to go. You would probably know better than myself for that. So there's something else you can do though, if that happens before you do your review. So I would convert it, and I'm going to share my screen to show you something. And that is just converting it back from PDF back to Word before you try and put any comments on it. You can annotate or put comments on PDFs, but then you can't get them back up in the assignment and get credit for your reviews, and your classmate will not be able to see them. Anyway, so if you find yourself stuck in a PDF through some strange thing, you can convert them back. I am not endorsing or recommending this particular converter or any converter. Adobe.com has one as well. So what I do recommend though is that you can just simply go into Google and put PDF to Word converter, just like you see here, and put free in there, online, even better. And be very careful as you do. It's kind of in your hands as what you download on your own computer, or you do have to download something here. But I'm going to demonstrate this one to you. This is just one I found. I tested a few. Some of them want you to do a sign in, and I don't want to do that, right? Or a free trial. I don't want to do that either. I just want to change from a PDF to a Word doc. So here we go. I'm just going to go up and just find any little thing that I can find. It's an old case study from my master's degree days, way back when. Okay, so now it's got it, it's going to convert. They all look just a little bit different, so it may not necessarily turn out like this. And there we know there's the name of the PDF that I uploaded, so we're just waiting for it to convert. Just give it a moment or two. Hope you're all doing good, by the way. 3 weeks in the semester, you're all hanging in there. Just getting started on the third week, and that you'll quickly fall into a sync of how things go. I've given lots of resources to understand that. Okay, here we go. Download. You can download a number of ways on this one. We're just going to click download. It's going to pop it up here. And This used to be a PDF, and it's now a Word doc. So I would go ahead, were this that assignment, and I downloaded and mysteriously turned into a PDF. I could convert it back and then go ahead and do the assignment and make sure you save it in PDF. That said, I would avoid PDFs in the class in case it does something weird and allows someone to upload a PDF. Make sure you're not uploading a PDF of any kind, and chances are you're not. So there's that. I'm going to stop the screen share now. And I think those are about the main questions I've had so far in the class, is just about this weird PDF thing. Please, if you would, write to me, send me any screenshots through Canvas inbox, and let me know if I'm kind of missing the mark, if I'm not really understanding what's happening, or something else is going on. Please let me know so I can continue getting to the bottom of the mystery, and hopefully this doesn't plague us too much more. As I've gone through and looked at the uploaded reviews, almost all of them are in Word docs, so it's working for most of the class. It's just getting hung up on a couple of you. So one final thing. If you don't have any feedback, you go in and you go to look for feedback from a classmate and you see nothing there, well, what that means is, unfortunately, the person assigned to your, well, one of two things. One, you didn't get your assignment in before midnight on Wednesday, so it was not assigned to anyone, and you cannot participate in peer review for that week. So that's kind of have to take that lump of coal for not getting in on time. I know it's a busy life as a university student. That's one possibility. If you didn't get it on time, you won't be able to participate. The second possibility is it is an optional assignment. And so there is a chance that whoever was assigned to your paper did not choose to do it, or just life got in the way and they couldn't do it, or whatever happened. But if you get it on time before every Wednesday midnight of your weekly write-in assignment, it will be assigned to someone, guaranteed. But if it doesn't come back and you did get it on time, then what it would mean is someone just simply didn't do it. So sorry for that. I'd encourage everyone to make sure you please do your peer reviews, because we all rely on those. So anyway, awesome. So happy you're all here in the class, and I'm going to hurry and get this onto YouTube and get this to you tonight, Tuesday night, the 26th of September. And again, I welcome and really appreciate any further explanation of what's happening, so I can share it with the university and we can get down to the bottom of it. And hopefully it's just a little glitch. Sometimes things just work themselves out, as you probably know. So the most common solution that I've ever heard from IT departments over the years is, well, just unplug the computer and plug it back in. So it's not always a really complex solution. So we'll see. Anyway, I welcome all your questions, and please keep them coming through the Canvas inbox. Have a great day, great week, and we'll talk to you all soon.